We learned that the San Francisco Health Department has been quietly giving out what it calls booster shots of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines to folks who have already received the one-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
The city's public health officials are saying that doesn't mean they're recommending that for everybody who got the Johnson & Johnson shot, but they are accommodating, or at least they have been accommodating, people who ask for it. KRON 4's Maureen has the story.
According to the city's public health department, it's been going on for some time. Supplemental vaccine shots of either Pfizer or Moderna going into the arms of people who already had the one and done Johnson & Johnson dose across neighborhood vaccine clinics and at San Francisco General Hospital. The city's public health director, Dr. Grant Colfax, says they still believe in the J&J. It was on the menu today at their new Vax to You mobile clinic that will show up at homes or job sites to vaccinate groups from 5 to 12 people in an effort to protect citizens from the growing threat of the Delta variant.
The J&J is a good vaccine. It's a good vaccine. We will continue to administer it.
While SFDPH and the CDC are not recommending those who have had the J&J shot go out and get an extra dose of one of the other vaccines available, the city's health department says they have accommodated case-by-case requests based on doctor recommendations.
Right now, we don't have conclusive data on additional shots beyond what CDC is recommending. But again, in consultation with infectious disease experts, we do believe this is safe and that we will accommodate people if they so request.
Here's video of Mayor London Breed getting her Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Today, she says she's not planning to get the supplemental dose.
It's currently not recommended by our medical health experts. I'm following their advice, so I'm going to do it if I need to do it. But if I don't need to do it, I'm not going to do it.
I didn't hesitate to take them up on this offer.
San Francisco resident and J&J recipient Corey Warren says he was turned away 2 weeks ago at a clinic when looking to get a different vaccine because of his concerns about his dose holding up against the Delta variant, and jumped at the chance when he was called back to get an extra Pfizer shot last week.
I definitely feel more secure. Having the Pfizer booster on top of the Johnson & Johnson makes me think I've got a better defense against not only the Delta variant, but any other variant that might come along in the upcoming months.
Dr. Grant Colfax says breakthrough cases are still relatively rare compared to cases among the unvaccinated, and all of the vaccines currently available are incredibly effective at reducing the risk of hospitalization. Maureen, KRON 4 News.